I consider you a rose on the grave.
That's a great song. Batman Forever?
Yeah, hell yeah.
Yeah.
The more I think of you, stranger to you, yeah.
I cannot wait for this.
I love me some reality TV, so.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. I can't hold it in.
Oh, you can see the back though.
What?
Oh.
They're crying.
Did you see he's like overwhelmed with like.
Started crying.
Did you see that?
Is it normal to be a little scared? What do you think?
This is
That's real, dude.
this is bananas, and I love it. Is that guy like the Simon Cowell of this show?
The suspense.
This is a great song too.
Sing it.
Yes! Oh.
The drummer's wearing like a mask.
I guess he's a part of the whole thing.
There's so much going on. I love these judges.
Yeah, they're really into it.
It is great.
Whoever this person is went on to win this whole competition because this is great.
Yeah, I mean, if I were watching this reality show in real time, I feel like my reaction would be, I want to hear what else this person has to sing.
Yes.
These judges are way more into it than our judges.
It's like The Voice, but better.
Yes.
This is awesome, man.
I can't not sing along.
Ooh, good key slap.
Belt it out. I know you got it.
He's really like muffling. It's
Yeah. It's the mask, I assume.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
Yes!
Whoa!
That's what I was waiting for.
Also, I really love that judge's sweater.
I love the judges' reaction. Oh,
Isn't
yeah.
that great? I mean, what does he have on his head? But
Everyone else is like jamming, but that lady is not feeling it.
Oh my god! Like, okay, great. It really, it's glorified masked karaoke. Honestly.
I feel like if I was there, I would be into it, but I also would be like, what's going on right now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
bravo.
I know what song I would do.
What's up?
Papa's Got a Brand New Bag.
Oh, snap.
James Brown.
Hit two times.
Yeah.
Definitely do something by Ariana Grande. And my mask would be a taffy apple.
I would sing Kiss from a Rose by Seal. And it might be a little on the nose, but I would dress up as a seal.
Ooh.
Bathwater by No Doubt.
Oh, wow.
And I would be dressed as a poodle. Mostly because I wouldn't have to do my hair. It's kind of already there.
Did he win?
Did he win?
Can we see the whole show? Is
this show still going? When did this air?
Wait, do we get to see the person?